in my experience, it's also a good idea to have it very well painted on where you want to screw in, because at some point you don't see the hole anymore, and then if you have a little bit longer lines, it helps to always know that you are where you want to be. And the first step, to go inside of the tiles here. First step is to have everything at hand and find everything you need. So first step is to puncture the tiles a little bit to make it less smooth. Make sure that the middle part is not perfect anymore. And then I use these Bosch screwing things that are just like little Sharpie knives. And the small one looks a little bit like that, completely smooth and just the tip here. It's always nice to use something with battery, but of course you can also use something connected to the power. So after a few seconds, just check. Are we still where we want to be? So in this case, it looks to be quite centered, maybe a little bit to the top, so I can go down a little bit, which I do by just going a little bit from the upper side, pushing downwards. And then if I go more from the upper side, or if I come from this side more, I move it to the left side or the other side. So I don't want to go too deep. Miss the small one. I actually had better experience to directly use the bigger one then, but you could also pre-drill it completely small and then go for the big boy, and I'm going directly for the big boy here. Check again where we are. So I will move it a little bit to the downside again. Let's see. It takes some time to go through the tile, and also making some breaks is good for this little one because it gets really hot. And if you don't cool it with a paste or something, like I don't do it. So, looks good. So, we're partly through the tile. Of course, you can go on with this drill. But I switch from this tile drill to a multi-purpose drill now. So this is kind of a multi-purpose one that is also able to better screw through the backside of the tiles. And this is the same diameter like the other one. So we are completely through the tiles. And the rest is super easy. Once you're through the tile, the cardwood is no problem. Make it a little bit cleaner. Or take a vacuum cleaner to clean it. And now, the funny part.